Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good job opportunity that has came in Genpact, and the best news is that if you are from BCom and BBA graduate, you all can apply. There is no worry about that all streams because बहुत से लोग पहले से ना मतलब पहले ऐसे कमेंट करते थे कि BCom और BBA के लिए आप जॉब ही नहीं लाते हो, तो उनके लिए ये वीक पूरा वो है. ठीक है, बीबीए बीकॉम के लिए काफ़ी जॉब्स पोस्ट करेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे टेलीग्राम पे भी, यहाँ पे भी कोशिश करेंगे पोस्ट करने की, और सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे. आज की वीडियो जेनपैक्ट के बारे में. जेनपैक्ट के बारे में आपने नाम सुना होगा, यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस कंपनी. Like it is a very good MNC, and we are going to talk about everything like what is the eligibility criteria, what is the job role you will be doing, and how to apply. We will be talking about everything, so no need to worry about that thing. That is not an issue. So let's start with the video. Before that, if you haven't liked this video, प्लीज़ हिट दैट लाइक बटन, बिकॉज आप लोग लाइक नहीं करते हो यार वीडियो को. लाइक कर दो वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को. इधर मतलब सब्सक्राइबर्स इतने कम आ रहे हैं और लाइक्स व्यूज़ भी बहुत कम आ रहे हैं चैनल पे. थोड़ा सपोर्ट प्लीज़ कर दो. और ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. और व्लॉग चैनल से अगर कोई इंटरेस्ट है व्लॉग्स देखने का, तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे मेरा व्लॉग चैनल मिल जाएगा. वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, तो आप लोग भी जुड़ोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो के साथ और देखते हैं पूरे नोटिफिकेशन को. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site that I was talking about, the Genpact, and here you can apply. The very first thing that we are going to see is the role that you will be doing. The role, as here it is specified, that is process developer of banking. So what is it? It is basically that your role will inquire. Here it is written everything. You can also read out, and I am also going to cover this in a brief. That is, your role will require you to utilize your knowledge in a insurance. Like it is a kind of suppose some employees are working in a company. At that point all the employees have insurance. ठीक है, इंश्योरेंस होता है उनके पास, तो वहाँ पे आपको नॉलेज, उस इंश्योरेंस का नॉलेज रखना है और उनको आपको हैंडल करना है. प्रोसेस ट्रांजेक्शन टू बी कंपैटिबल विद द क्लाइंट्स, इनोवेटिव्स, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे मेंशन है पहले से ही. रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ भी अलग से, यू कैन ऑल्सो रीड दिस रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. इट इज़ अप टू यू, लाइक इट इज़ research based. Then the second one is the client interaction via trainings, that there will be a client interactions with the trainings, conference calls will be there, and then emails will be there. Handle the MIS activities and the data collection. You can also read out this. It is a very like responsibilities. If you are related to this job, you might be knowing about everything. And the best part is that the qualification, the minimum qualification they are asking for a BCom or BBA graduate. If you are from BCom or BBA graduate, you all can apply. That is not an issue. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ बस बीटेक के लिए पोस्ट करते हैं, बीबीए बीकॉम के लिए पोस्ट करते हैं, देख लो. और दूसरा चीज़ क्या है, प्रेफर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन. द प्रेफर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन दैट इज रिटन हियर, दैट इज प्रेफरेंस क्या होगी, किसी भी कंपनी की प्रेफरेंस ये होगी कि फ्रेशर्स के ऊपर वो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस को प्रेफरेंस देगा. यही चीज़ यहाँ पे मेंशन है, दैट यू माइट बी हैविंग अ लाइक प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस इन बैंकिंग और इंश्योरेंस. मतलब कि एक एक्सपीरियंस हो बैंकिंग और इंश्योरेंस में, तो आपको एक प्रेफरेंस मिल जाएगी. ये चीज़ है. प्रेफरेंस वही होता है कि अगर फ्रेशर्स, मान लो एक जगह फ्रेशर्स जाता है और एक्सपीरियंस, दोनों लोग अगर फॉर्म भरते हैं, तो जो एक्सपीरियंस है उस चीज़ में, तो एक्सपीरियंस को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिलेगी. यही सिंपल सी चीज़ है प्रेफरेंस का मतलब. तो नीचे जाओगे, व्हेन यू विल गो डाउन, यू विल फाइंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज द एजुकेशन लेवल दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. Bachelor's, as it is already mentioned. The posting was done like 2 days ago, that was on 12th March, and we are here with the video. And it is a full-time job. The location will be Noida. It is mentioned here, the location in Noida, it is already mentioned. And how to apply, the application process is quite simple. You have to just click on this apply now button. Suppose I have clicked on this, then you will be directed to a page. Suppose I am being redirected to a page, like just wait a bit because of network issue. There is the network is a bit slow. So as you can see here that you have to select a language. You can select any language out of, I have selected English. And then I will scroll down. You can see all the प्राइवेसी नोटिस एट लाइक ये चीज़ें हम लेने वाले हैं, आपके इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने वाले हैं, आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ लेने वाले हैं, लैंग्वेज स्पोकन, पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने वाले हैं. तो ये चीज़ यहाँ पे डिस्क्लेमर यहाँ पे है. ये डिस्क्लेमर पहले से दे दें कि ये चीज़ कोई कहीं और इस्तेमाल नहीं होगी, इसलिए दिखती है. उसके बाद आई हैव टू क्लिक ऑन आई एक्सेप्ट. Suppose I click on I accept, I will be directed to the basic login page. This is the login page where you need to register. Suppose you don't have an account, you have to click on this button, that is this button. You have to click on this and you have to register. Suppose I click on register, I will be directed to a page where I have to do my registration. So as a username is required, a password is required, email ID is required, that is it. And you have to enter all the details. Then you will be directed to a page that will be, let me show you, wait. Let me show you. If I enter my username, suppose Anu Anurag 2410. or Anurag and my password, some password, assume a password that is you have to follow all the steps of the password, that is a capital letter, uppercase character, lowercase character, special character and some digits, combination of all these, that is mandatory in this, otherwise you will have some issue in setting up the password. So as I am setting up my password and my email address must be entered, like this is my dummy email address that I use in every job notification just for the registration purpose, just for showing you all. So I will just click on the register button and a mail will come to my this person, this registration, that is you have been registered, and I have to confirm my registration, like I have completed all this. Now see here, you have to confirm registration अपना confirm करना है, ये चीज़ है, पर्सनलाइज अकाउंट है यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो गया है, आपको ओके करना है, रजिस्ट्रेशन कंफर्मेशन है, ओके करोगे तो उसके बाद देखो क्या होता है, you will be like it will take some time based on the network. So here I have to complete all the information, you have to import, it has been given your option, here are the options, that is create your profile, the very first thing, then personal information, then general questions will be, then review and submit. These are the things that you need to complete. Then when you will scroll down, you will get here that you have to complete your profile. There are the options. The options are that you can choose LinkedIn also, and you can choose via Indeed also, or you can upload your resume also, that is up to you. Suppose I choose LinkedIn, then you have to sign into your LinkedIn. As I have chosen LinkedIn, it is redirecting me to the LinkedIn. Okay, so I have chosen the LinkedIn. Now I have to what to do, I have to click on save and continue. When I will save or continue, then a authorization page will come of the LinkedIn. As I have chosen the LinkedIn, I have to just authorize this application that I am only the one that is authorizing the LinkedIn to use my personal details in this particular application. I think so there is an issue, I am not able to sign up with the LinkedIn, so I will choose this option, that is resume option, and I will choose my resume and upload and show you. Just wait a bit. See, I have uploaded my resume here. The name of the resume was unwrap.pdf. I have chosen this name. As I will give here a small tip, that is many of you, like when you upload a resume, don't write any dummy name that is only 123 or 231 like this. Write a proper name, that way, because sometimes when the recruiter is there and he scrolls the resume with the mobile phone, the name will be displayed on that way, so it will be easy for him also, and it is something that is important. Then I will click on save and continue. When this button will be clicked, I submitted my resume, the personal information page will come. Here I will not fill the information because I will tell you that what are the things you need to fill. So the next step is that I have to fill my personal information. This is the next step, second one. Then general question, then review and submit. I'm not going to show everything because it is a quite easy steps. So you can also do that. If you face any issue, just comment down. I will definitely reply you. That is from here. Suppose the first name, the last name, the email address that will be automatically fetched from your resume. Then your cellular number, that is your phone number. You can add any number. If you are where you ever मतलब कि कभी आपने काम किया जनपैक्ट में, were you ever worked as an employed in Genpact, then you have to click yes or no. If you are worked, then yes. If you have not worked, then no. Simple as that. Then you will scroll down and see the country. The country is India. Then these are the very simple steps that you need to follow. When you will fill all these things, then the next step will come, that is this one, that general questions will be asked, then review and submit. You have to review the information that you have given, like a cross checking will be done, and you have to submit that. That is very easy. And if you face an issue, just comment down. I will definitely reply you. Don't need to worry about that thing. So this was it. So in this video, we have talked about the application process of Genpact, the BA and BCom graduate. I've talked about everything, like how to apply, what is the process of application, and the very major thing, that is the eligibility criteria. And you all were saying me that I am not posting videos for all of you. So this was the video, and more videos are yet to come. Don't need to worry about that thing. See, there are some issues that is with the time and with the content that I am making. So like it takes some time to research and to do these things. And for BCom and BBA, the notifications are not that easy to like fetch down as compared to the BTech and BTech and BE graduates. The notifications are very easy to fetch out, because for BBA, for BE and BTech students, there are many jobs, like literally there are many jobs, and it is easy to make videos on that. So I come up with the videos, and it is not a thing that that is easy, that so I make more videos on that. because I have to be regular and be consistent. So that is why I'm making more videos on BTech and BE graduates, but I also post videos for the BBA and BCom students. It is the thing, and that was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. I will come up with these kind of videos in the future also, don't need to worry about that thing. So this was all about video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और अच्छे कंटेंट के साथ, ऐसे ही सपोर्ट बनाए रखना। और आगे एक और चीज़ बता दूं कि ये इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर काफ़ी लोगों के वीडियोस आने वाले हैं, धीरे धीरे आएंगे। लाइक एपिसोड टाइप का कुछ बनाना की सोच रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे देखते हैं क्या बनता है। ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, लोगों को लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बात हुई है कई लोगों से, तो ये चीज़ है। चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आने वाली हैं आगे। तो ऐसे ही चैनल बने रहो, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना वीडियो को, ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहें, ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करो। थैंक यू फॉर दिस। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।